So here we have a Mitsubishi Shogun with a quick disconnect clutch. We're going to take the gearbox out, so we're going to release the clutch. We've already taken off the slave cylinder. This is the release bearing fork sticking out here, so you can now move this freely by hand. The release bearing is here, you can see up against the clutch springs, and between the bearing and the springs of the clutch plate there's a ring. It looks almost like a large washer, and to release the clutch you want to make sure that the clutch bearing is as far forward as it will go and it's up flush against the clutch springs. Then get a screwdriver between the clutch bearing and the ring, not between the springs of the clutch plate and the ring. So screwdriver between the bearing and the ring in there. Then gently push in and twist. You can see that is now released.